Have some bills that need paying? Well, this Money Talisman should help. Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm coming out of Aradia's closet to help you create, cultivate, and live a more magical life. Thanks for tuning in again. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Tanya. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. This talisman is made in 3 easy steps, but stay tuned all the way to the end and I'll tell you a couple of different things you can do with it once you've created it. You are going to create this talisman on a Friday during the waxing moon at dusk. You don't want to have to get back up again, so make sure that you have all of your ingredients in front of you before you sit down to begin. There are 7 different things you need to make this talisman. You will need 5 pumpkin seeds. You will need 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 green candle, 1 bottle of prosperity oil, 1 dollar bill, 1 green cloth, and 1 green ribbon. The first thing you want to do is anoint your candle using some of your oil. Today I'm using cinnamon. You'll take some of the oil in the palm of your hand and go from the ends towards the center because we're drawing. If we were to be banishing, we'd go from the center towards the ends. But like I said, today we're drawing in money to us. So we're going from the ends towards the center. Once you have that candle good and anointed, you'll put it in a candle holder and light it. Let it burn while you're creating the talisman. While the candle is burning, you'll take your ingredients and put them together and then roll it towards you and then tie it with the ribbon. While you work, focus on the money coming to you while saying this chant. Dollar bill, work your will. Pumpkin seeds, do your deeds. Cinnamon sticks, do your tricks. Bring needed money and bring it quick. Say this 3 times as you work. When you're finished creating the talisman, you'll set it and the candle somewhere fire safe so that the candle can burn all the way down. So here's a couple of different things you can do with the talisman once you've created it. You can keep it in your purse or your messenger bag or wherever it is that you carry your wallet, or if you have a place where you set your wallet or purse down, you can set the talisman there. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And remember, the hardest part is getting started. It was just my dad's birthday, and he was asking me to make him a money bag. Instead, I told him about these kits that I made for these talismans and told him I was going to make a video so he could follow along with it. If you're watching, Daddy, happy birthday.